How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today I'm going to be talking about why, when, and how you should adjust the signal strength on the TC top and bottom finder indicator. For those that don't know, this indicator is a brand new flagship from Trade Confident, and it uses price exhaustion detection, statistical backtracking, and a hybrid mini-max algorithm to predict buy and sell signals. This indicator allows you to adjust the sensitivity of these signals, and this video will be a deep dive into how to do just that. So let's get started. First off, what is the signal strength in the first place? The signal strength setting allows you to raise and lower the threshold for a signal to actually throw. The lower the signal strength, the easier it is for a signal to appear, and the higher the signal strength, the harder it is for it to appear. A lower signal strength will provide more, less precise signals, while a lower signal strength will provide fewer, more precise signals. The signal strength can be found on your TradingView chart simply by hovering over the indicator name, clicking the gear icon, heading over to inputs, and heading down to signal strength right here. This number in this box is what you are going to adjust. You can save the settings either by hitting enter on your keyboard or clicking OK. So why should you adjust the signal strength? Different chart settings will change how the price presents on the charts and therefore how the TC top and bottom finder actually performs. The time frame is where you're going to do most of your adjustments. Right now I'm looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. However, if I switch to the 15-minute time frame, you'll see that signals tend to throw a lot more frequently. What I can do here is adjust the signal strength to something like 40, and this will give me more refined signals. As you can see, the buy signals tend to only be at the very bottom of the charts, right before massive moves up. However, if I move to a much higher time frame like the 1 week, you'll see that there is barely any buy signals at all. What I can do now is set the signal strength to 3, and you'll notice a lot more buy signals show up, providing you with a lot more trading opportunities. You may also need to adjust between trading pairs even on the same time frame. This is due to some coins like Doge having a lot of volatility where Bitcoin just doesn't have that much price movement. Here's an example of Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame again with a signal strength of 10. This works really well for Bitcoin, but if we head over to Doge, you can see that a signal strength of 8 actually performs better, giving us more buy signals hitting the dip here and here right before big moves up. The type of chart you use can also drastically change how the TC top and bottom finder works. This indicator was designed around classic standard issue candles, so we highly recommend you use this, but many traders do like to use Heikin-Ashi or even just regular line charts. Here's a visual example of this. Right now, Bitcoin USD, again on the 4-hour time frame, and the signal strength is 10. This is the standard chart type that most people will use, but as I said before, others will prefer to use Heikin-Ashi. On that same signal strength, you will see one lone buy signal in the middle of a downtrend. That just doesn't work. What you're going to need to do is head over to settings and set this to 1. You'll notice at the bottom of just about every downtrend now, there is a buy signal. There are going to be some buy signals that aren't going to work. Like again, right here, this buy signal isn't ideal, but we do recommend using confirmation indicators. This means just another indicator or two just to validate the buy signals that you see. This will significantly enhance your trades. You'll notice much higher success rate if you do this. From here now, we can switch to the line chart, and again, you'll see it just doesn't work. Now there's way too many buy signals. What I can do here is change it to 7. And now the buy signals are a lot more refined, being a lot more accurate between the sell signals. A lot of these will provide very, very good profit. Again though, the TC top and bottom finder was designed around using just regular standard candles, so this is what we recommend you stick with. Lastly, different exchanges may affect how the signals post, but not by much. However, this should be automatically adjusted for as you adjust for time frame and trading pair. Once that's done, it should have happened automatically. We highly recommend you set your TradingView chart settings to the exchange you actually use to trade, as this will provide the most accurate data for your trades. Now, just as a quick note, I highly recommend using at least one other indicator to confirm your trades before you enter. No indicator is 100% perfect no matter how good it is, so using multiple really good indicators will get you the best trades possible. Now, many of you have already purchased the bundle pack, and I will be making a video very soon on how to use the TC top and bottom finder with the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, and any of the other indicators in the bundle pack. If you haven't purchased the bundle pack yet, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you how. So now you know what the signal strength is and why you should adjust it. Let's get into how you should adjust it and what an optimal trading chart actually looks like. I'll be honest with you, ultimately, there is no perfect signal strength setting. You should set it to what feels right for you and your trading style. A lower signal strength will provide you with a lot of trading opportunities at the cost of a high risk. However, if you use high signal strength settings, you'll be rewarded with very low risk at the cost of fewer trading opportunities. Again, you should just use what feels right for you and your trading style. As a guideline, I like to adjust the signal strength to find a balance between buy signals at the very bottom of a trend versus buy signals I would personally consider to be invalid. You can find the validity of a buy signal based on the pricing after the fact. If the price falls immediately after a buy signal posts, that buy signal is considered invalid and you should adjust accordingly. I'm a long trader, so I adjust looking for perfect buy signals. If you are a short trader, you should adjust based on the sell signals. I should also note that while adjusting for past buy signals will provide you with the best possible odds, even if they have perfectly lined up in the past, there is no guarantee that they will do so in the future. This is why we recommend using other confirmation indicators, as again, this will provide you the best odds for your trades. A baseline to get started is a signal strength of between 20 and 40 to charts that are on the 5-minute to 1 hour time frame. A signal strength of 10 is good for 4-hour to 1-day time frames, and a signal strength of 1 to 5 seems to yield good results anywhere above that. Now, you will need to fine-tune and adjust to each individual chart you are trading on, but these general settings seem to work really well across the board. Now, if you don't want to adjust your chart or your signal settings at all, I would highly recommend using a signal strength of 10. This seems to yield good results across the board as well, although we still recommend fine-tuning to your needs as this will give you the best possible results. And there you have it. You now have all the tools and insight you need to adjust the TC Top and Bottom Finder signal strength to your specific trading needs. From here, it's just practicing and fine-tuning to get the results you want. Before I go, and I know I sound like a broken record here, I just highly recommend that you use at least one other indicator as trade confirmation when making your trades. No indicator is perfect, but using multiple will get you as close as you possibly can get. You can purchase the TC Top and Bottom Finder indicator along with the bundle pack at the links in the description. This is going to be a total of $748 using the coupon code that comes with the bundle pack. Included in that pack is the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow. These indicators are wonderful. They are absolutely amazing as confirmation indicators, and the data they provide will give you a really well-rounded view of the market and really enhance your trade decisions. Again, you can find all the links for these in the description. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can use the comments below or send us an email at btradeconfident@gmail.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Now remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.